Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to disable the built-in keyboard on your laptop in Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. And without further ado, let's go ahead. So all you have to do is open up on search menu, and then kailangan mo lang i-type yung device manager, and then click mo lang dito yung open. So dito sa device manager, and then next step, kailangan mo lang select dito yung keyboards. So click mo lang tong arrow na to para mag-expand. Okay, so makikita mo dito yung keyboards driver natin. Okay, so ang next, kailangan mo lang select isa sa mga driver dito. So click mo lang yan, right click, and then select mo lang dito yung properties. And then dito sa kanyang keyboard properties, dito lang sa taas, ay select mo lang dito yung drivers. Click mo lang yan. Okay, so kung paano ba natin i-disable? So dito lang sa baba ay makikita mo dito yung disable device. Okay, so kapag nakita mong nag-appear dito ay click mo lang tong disable device, or else, so pwede mo naman itong gawin, isang options dito ay uninstall device. Click mo lang yan, and then click mo lang to okay, and then cross lang natin dito, and then next dito sa start menu, kailangan mo lang mag-restart. So click mo lang ito. Ayan, so ganoon lang po ka-simply on how to disable built-in laptops keyboards on Windows 11 or Windows 10. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.